Hi, I'm Laura Mackey, and this is Steve the skeleton. He's going to be demonstrating to us today the axial skeleton. All right, we're going to begin with the skull. This is the cranium, right up here. Frontal bone, parietal bone, over here. Temporal bone, zygomatic process, mastoid process, occipital bone, foramen magnum will be right up here. Occipital protrudence, back here again. Here we are back here. Superior and inferior orbital fissure, that will be right located in here. Then we have the lacrimal bones. Those are right by the eye. Lacrimal fossa is also by the eye. Then we have the maxilla. It's going to be right here, right around the nose area. Zygomatic bone will be underneath the eye over here. And the hard plate is the area by over here by the mouth and the cheek area. Okay, then we're also going to, he's kind enough to demonstrate the sutures. We have the coronal suture, which would be in the front. We have the occipital suture, which is back here. Then we have the temporal suture, which is along the side here. And we have the sagittal suture, which is up here at the very, very top of the head, right up there. Okay, that's the sagittal. Then we have we're going to focus on the mandible. The mandible has a ramus and body of a mandible. That's back here, the back of the jaw area. We have an angle of the mandible. That would be over here as well, the angle area. Then we have the mandible condyle is also right up here. And then we have the chordin process right around here, and the mandible notch is also in this region. All right. Then we're going to focus. Steve's going to focus and show us his back, the vertebrae. Then we've got the cervical region, atlas and axis. We have the thoracic region, lumbar region, and sacrum down here. Okay. Then we have the vertebrae parts, the body of the vertebrae, the spinous process, transverse foramen, invertebral foramen, intervertebral disc. Okay, that's all going to be along here. Then he's also been kind enough to demonstrate the sternum to us. Okay, that will be right in here. Then we have the mandible, which is going to be right up here at the top. Then we have the body right along here. And then we have the xiphoid process right here. The true ribs are the first 1 through 7 ribs, and then we have the false ribs, which is 8 through 12. Thank you, Steve, for demonstrating the axial skeleton.